Welcome back to the channel. If VirtualBox is running very slow on Windows 11, showing lag, delay, or poor performance, this video will help you fix it. Let's begin. First, make sure VirtualBox is completely closed. Now press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type optional features and press Enter. The Windows Features window will open. Here, look for Hyper-V and uncheck it. Scroll down and also uncheck Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. These features cause VirtualBox to run very slow on Windows 11. Click OK and restart your computer when prompted. After the restart, open the Control Panel. Then open Power Options. Select High Performance or Best Performance to allow Windows to use full system power. Now open VirtualBox again. Select your virtual machine and click Settings. Open the System section and increase the RAM to at least 4 GB or more if your system allows. Then switch to the Processor tab and increase the number of CPU cores, keeping the indicator in the safe range. Click OK and start the virtual machine. Once the virtual machine is fully loaded, click Devices from the top menu. Select Insert Guest Edition CD image and start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart the virtual machine after installation. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.